Who's ready for some spooky yarn content? Happy Fiber Friday. Hello, welcome to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You are inside the Stitchery and I'm so happy you're here today. Hi, if you're new, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody with a chronic condition and a Stitcher is somebody who does art with textiles. So weaving, knitting, crochet, all of that kind of thing. But I'm also a creativity channel. I do a lot more than just crochet on this channel. I do a lot more than just yarny content on this channel. On Fridays, we do either Film Friday or Fiber Friday. Which one will it be? You'll have to wait and see. Obviously today is Fiber Friday, and we are going to talk about the new Halloween yarns. I ordered my Herrschners Halloween yarn extremely early this year, like early August. It's on back order till November. So I only have a couple of skeins here to show you. But you can still order it. It's just on back order. I am so sorry. I fully intended to have a video where I showed you all the pretty yarns. Oh well, at least I do have one of the new colors to show you. So let's start with Herrschners. Herrschners has the Worsted Halloween Sparkle yarn. It's really soft. It is a worsted weight, so it's a number 4. It is very soft. You don't really feel the sparkle at all. Of course, we have the start tab for the center pull. And bear with me, I don't have my glasses today. So bear with me. 92% acrylic, 8% polyester. Use a I9 hook, which is a 5.5, or a size 7 needle. The yardage is on here somewhere. Here it is. 489 yards in a skein. This one is called Goblin, and it is different kinds of greens and black with a silver metallic thread running through the whole thing. It is a very good for great thickness. Love it. And I have plans. Can you guess what those plans are? There's a hint already in this video. So I do have some of the colors from last year for the Herrschners Worsted 8 Sparkle, or Halloween Sparkle. Worsted Halloween Sparkle. Anyway, I have Witch's Brew, but I don't have the skein with me at the moment. But I made something with it, and I think that is down here. It is. I'll grab that in a second. But this one is, can you guess? Did you say candy corn? Yeah, it's called candy corn. Same specs as the others. I also have Witch's Brew. That one is purple and green and black. I don't think I have any more color options. No. Nope, those are the only 2 colors I have. Let me grab the project. So this is how Witch's Brew can work up. Now this dark black up here I added, but the rest of it is all part of Witch's Brew. Isn't that pretty? So, this is one of my plastic bag holders. If you want to make one, I will link the tutorial down below. So, this is a very special one that I made for a friend. I'll tell you more about that in another video. This is one of the brand new colors. This color is called Sorcerer, and it is pinks and purples and oranges and blacks. Same specs. So I got this one to pair with this one. Then I found something better. Hobie, the yarn from Denmark, one of my favorite companies ever. If you don't know, they make my absolute favorite chenille yarn that ever existed in the world. It's called TOUCAN. I love TOUCAN. I have an entire little shelf dedicated to TOUCAN. Well, and one neon premiere. But everything else is TOUCAN. Yes. Anyway, so they have some Halloween yarns. They have lots of Halloween yarns. I am not an affiliate with Herrschners or Hobie yet, but I will leave you the link down below to the Halloween page and you can get some for yourself. This is the Halloween Universe XL. This is color number 3. And I will put the name of the yarn actually on the screen, but it's number 3. This is 98% acrylic, 2% polyester, 5mm needle or a 6mm hook. This is considered a 3 light. There's one that I can actually pull from. I don't want to mess up. Here we go. So the strand of metallic running through this one is purple. It's a good 3. Very much a DK. It's made in Turkey and it has Okotex standard. So this is color number 3. But the reason I bought this yarn to begin with was for this one. If you look at the samples on the website, the color transition is very long color changes. So I'm thinking I can trim out the orange. So I just have the pink and the black. But if I can't trim out the orange, it's not a total lost cause. This is color number 2. Now normally, this yarn is actually pretty expensive. It's like $14 a skein or something. But when I got it, it was really cheap. And it might still be on sale, I'm not sure. But I got it for about $5 each. And the yardage on these things, I'm so sorry I didn't tell you that, 241. 241 yards per skein. Not the best, but so pretty I don't care. So this one is orange, pink, and black, and the metallic running through it is orange. So we have pink and black, and green and purple. Originally, I was going to do a blanket. Unfortunately, I don't have nearly enough yardage. I do have 2 of these and another one coming on the way because I bought the entire Halloween collection from Herrschners. So I have 1 of every color. But it's not here. So I only have 2 of these right now. But this one is perfect. I still need to find, I didn't realize it was a 3. I thought XL meant it would be a 4. That's the only thing about Hobbii is you're not 100% sure what size it will actually be. So, I need to find another pink to go with this. However, I am blocking, whoops, excuse me, cute little cow, the pink shelf. So, I need your help to help me decide which pink you think would go well with this green and black yarn. So we have option A, and that is the Super Saver Metallic. This is the Big Twist. This is option B. And I do have this one, but I don't have a lot of it, so I'm pretty sure this is discontinued. I do not feel like I'm gonna have enough of this one, which is a shame because I think this one actually looks the best. And I always write on my labels if I have more than 1 skein of something. I don't. This is all I've got for this one. This is the Hygge Charm. Oh no, it says 1 of 2. Actually, it's right there. 1 of 2. Hygge Charm Red Heart. 432 yards. So 432 times 2. And I only need 2 of these. Still wouldn't be a very big blanket, would it? Well, alright, moving on. Everything's just gonna fall because I'm moving stuff from the bottom now, so. We have these 2 pinks. No, definitely not this one. This one is not an option. Then I've got a salmon-y color, so no. This peach color is not gonna work. And that one is too pale. I kind of like this one.
We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
So, what am I doing? A wicked blanket. At least that's the plan. As soon as I saw this yarn, it immediately screamed alphabet at me. So I really wanted to do something with this yarn, but then I needed a pink. So my original plan was I was going to use that Rave yarn from Big Twist, which I think is also a partial Halloween line. I don't know, a lot of the colors kind of say Halloween to me, but anyway, they had a pink and black one that kind of fades, a pink that fades into black, and a green that fades into black. I can't get my hands on the green one. I do have the pink, but unfortunately, I'm not 100% sure I can make it work with this one. So then I saw this and I was wondering how much pink was in here. Not quite enough. So I'm still debating on what I'm gonna do. Really like this one, but I just don't think there's enough. I could always go with the stage version and do green and blue. I think I have a blue that's... At this point, I may have to settle for a wicked tote bag or something else, because I just don't have enough. And I'm almost positive this color is discontinued. This is Superstar. And I just don't think any of these are quite the same. Yeah. So that is some of the new Halloween yarn that is out right now. And I would hurry up and grab some when you can, because as you can see, they sell out or back order really fast. Definitely check Hobie and see if their Halloween yarn is still on sale, because it was a really good price. Not the greatest price in the world, but still better than 14. So, not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with this one. It is thinner than I thought, but I still really want to do something with this one. So if you guys have any ideas on what you think I should do with either of these, let me know down below. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember to join the Facebook group, linked down below. You only have to answer 2 questions. What do I say at the end of every video? And what do you love about yarn? Or what do you love that other people can do with yarn? Let's say you're not a fiber person, that's okay. What do you love that other people can do with yarn if you don't make stuff with yarn yourself? Thank you so much for joining me for another Fiber Friday. Come back on Monday for Miscellaneous Monday. That is what we're doing on the channel. We are doing Miscellaneous Monday, Wonderful World of Wednesday, and Fiber or Film Fridays. So there won't be 3 videos every single week, but if there's a video posted, it'll be on one of those days unless there is a special day. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.